Here working on the bird feeder. Seems to be working pretty good. I got a little bird up here interested, and they're starting to like me. But I'm gonna flip the camera around. See him up there? Is he gonna drop down? He's gotta go right here. So he's gonna drop down and get his little food. There he goes. He's interested. He's about to drop. There he goes. See, I designed it. It's a bad design because he's got to step in the food to eat it. I didn't think about how long birds were, even little ones. So I got to fix that. Isn't he cool? They're starting to like me. Yeah, you can see the flaws in the design. If you look right, see if I can put my finger in the frame. Nope, it takes it out of focus. But we're gonna fix that. It's a little too small, but it is pretty cool. Look, there's another little one. Coming, he's interested. There's two feeders, so let's see if you can figure out that there's another one over there. No. You can see that one's kind of figured out originally how I had it planned right now. But I think I can make it a little bit easier for him. You can see how his feet are on there. Oh, there's another one. Oh, two of them were on there for a second. I missed it. I had it zoomed in too far. But you see how his feet are on there. I think I can turn those kind of indents going the other way, so his feet can grip on easier. Make it bigger for him, and that'll be better. So that is all right. So there they are, and you can follow them.
This is editing, Snail. Redo that.
All right, there they are. I'm Snail. You can follow me on Printables. You'll find this there soon. Links down there in the description below. Oh yeah, and subscribe on YouTube.